Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by installing the booster, download a reputable build, and verify the file. Run the installer as admin so drivers register correctly. Choose the correct 32-bit or 64-bit variant for your OS. Once done, set your main playback device to the target output and close media programs so the app can take exclusive control. This prevents driver conflicts and makes initial calibration accurate. Doing these steps first saves time and avoids common permission or architecture mismatches. Now configure the boost and equalizer. Open the app, pick your playback device, and enable boost. Start with a conservative 10 to 20% gain so you hear differences without clipping. Next, use the equalizer presets and tweak low or high bands to match speaker or headphone response. This improves perceived loudness and clarity. Make sure to enable the limiter or distortion protection so the software prevents peaks above 0 dB. This step protects speakers and keeps audio clean. Finish by testing. Play a variety of tracks and spoken audio and compare boosted output to the original so you confirm natural balance. Save a custom profile and enable auto start with Windows only if you want persistent boosting. If you encounter issues, no sound, crackling, or distortion, first check the system default playback device and app permissions, then update or reinstall audio drivers. If distortion persists, reduce gain and re-enable the limiter. That single change fixes most clipping problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.